Good evening. Welcome to second last revision session of Vedic Maths part 3. This is the second last, meaning next Monday we'll be having last session. Today basically we'll solve the paper which was posted to you. How many of you have solved that paper fully? Just say yes in the chat box if you have solved it fully. Nobody? Okay, how many of you at least tried to solve some problems out of that? And nobody has tried also. This is your exams are going on. Say at least yes to that. Your exams are going on. Why nobody has tried? No answers to that also. You don't know your exams are going on or not. Okay, right. That means you are solved. No, means I should have just said yes. Okay, means we'll solve that full paper fully, so you don't have to worry about if you cannot solve. But I just wanted to check that whether you have tried. Good that at least you have tried. We'll solve fully. Okay, and then you check yourself how much you got correct, and at the end tell me how many problems you got correct. Marks wise it is 50, problems wise it is 25. So I will be more interested to know how many problems you got correct out of 25 total problems. The total 25 problems in sample paper. Actual paper, sorry, round 2 paper. Round 1 paper will be exactly same. This is sample paper of round 1 and it is exactly same. Round 2 paper will consist of 50 questions. So right now you concentrate on round 1 only. Okay, we'll solve the full paper. The first question. First question, you got a big number 99444, then 333, then 66 twice only, then 555 and 1. So question is, what is the digit sum? So you know the simple method, remove all 9 combinations of 9. This 4 with this 5, this 4 with this 5, this 4 with this 5, 3 with 6, this 3 with this 6. So what remains is just 3 here and 1 here. So answer is 4. Any doubts? Anything wrong here, you can tell immediately. Second question. So this was digit sum, simple problem. 2, 4, 5, 6 multiplied by 9, 9, 9, less number of 9. So your take number as it is 2, 4, 5, 6. Put zeros equal to number of 9. There are 3 9s, 3 zeros, and subtract same number 2, 4, 5, 6. Take number as it is, put zeros when it is less number of 9. Okay. Then we have studied shortcut to get difference here, or directly use all from 9, last from 10 for this. 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, and last from 10, 10 minus 6 is 4, and reduce this by 1. That means this will be 5. 5 minus 2 is 3, 5, 4, 2. So we have studied these shortcuts when there are zeros at the end. So this is the answer. Any doubts, anytime you can stop me. If anybody wants me to repeat, you can tell. So series of 9, less number of 9. 298 multiplied by 202. This is a special case, third case or second case, I think. This digit is same here, and sum of this digits at tens and units place, this sum is 100. So that in that case, you have to just multiply this 98 into 2 on the right hand side, and on left hand side 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6, and this is 196. But here right hand side there should be 4 digits, so right hand side 0 196. So final answer 60196. Okay, this is a normal special case. What we have studied is sum of digits at tens place, sorry, units place is 10 and rest all digits are same. Here sum of digits at tens and units place is 100. 98 plus 2 is 100 and rest all digits are same. Anybody has doubt? First, if you have got any doubts, you can ask. I hope all of you know this. Actually, it was introduced in part 3. Later on, maybe those who have done part 3 earlier may not know, but then it's a simple same sum of digits at tens and unit places 100 and rest all it's the same. You have to take common next number and multiply this. This should be 4 decimal. So you just note that very careful that there should be 4 digits on the right hand side. Complement of 87400. So here we said that zeros will remain as it is, and for remaining part you apply all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2, and last, this is last, no, last from 10, 10 minus 4 is 6. 12600. Fifth, comparing fractions. There are 3 fractions given: 2 upon 3, 4 upon 7, and 13 upon 21. There are 3 fractions. You have to find out which is greatest out of this 3, which has got a highest value, in other words. So we have started comparing 2. If you want to compare only this 2 here, then you have to just cross multiply. 2 into 7, and down you put 3 into 7, that is 21, and this is 3 into 4 upon 3 into 7, 21. So this is 14, this is 12. So this is greater, that refers to 2 by 3. And then with this, because here 21 is there, you can directly compare. Third one is 13 by 21. If it is not same, then you'll have to make again cross multiplication. Now here a cross multiplication is not required because here denominator is already 21. So directly you can compare, and with this answer of this question is 2 by 3. This is the answer because out of these 3, this is the greatest fraction. Comparing fractions, these are topics. Anybody has doubt? Okay. This is a cross multiplication, which makes denominator same. So you can just compare with the whatever is value on the numerator. This numerator is bigger, so this is bigger. And now if you consider all 3, because denominator is same, directly you can compare with the numerator. 14 is highest, that corresponds to 2 by 3. So answer of this, the question is find greatest fraction from. So answer is 2 by 3. Any doubt? Next, 6th question. The colon of 293 6, 8, 9. There is 9 above 5. So take complement, put dash, add 1. So this becomes 9. Again, complement of 9 is 1. Put dash, add 1. So this becomes 7. Complement of 7 is 3. Put dash, add 1. So 3 becomes 4. Next 9 again above 5. Take complement. Complement 9 is 1. Put dash, add 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Seventh question is square of 4013. Okay, so here easiest would be base method of squaring. Sorry, adjusted base method, not base method, because this is not near to 1000, not 10,000, but it is near to 4000. So adjusted base here will be 4000, and the relation, that relation for that 4000 will be 1000 into 4. Into 4 is a relation which you have to apply on the left hand side. So other than this, it is normal base method of squaring. So take the number as it is, difference with this adjusted base, 4013 minus 4000 is 13, square of difference, 13 square. If you don't know direct, do like this, 3 square is 9, 2 into 1 into 3 is 6, 1 square is 1. Okay, so main base is 1000, it's got 3 zeros, so you are getting required digits. Next, add this together, 4026, 13 plus 13 is 26, and only extra part what you do is into 4, this part. 4 into 6 is 24, 4 carry 2, 4 into 2, 10 plus, sorry, 4 into 2, 8 plus 2, 10, so 0, carry 1. So that 4 into 0 is 0, plus carry 1 is 1, 4 into 4, 16. So left hand side is 16104, right hand side is 169. So final answer 16104,169. Base method of squaring. You can use duplex also. So if you want to do this with a duplex, 4013 square, then duplex of 4, duplex of 40, duplex of 4011, sorry, duplex of 4013, duplex of 013, duplex of 13, and then finally duplex of 3. So quite long actually. This is faster that way. 4 square is 16. This is 2 into 4 into 0 will give you 0. This is 2 into 4 into 1 is 8, and this is 0. 2 into 2 AC. This is 2 into 4 into 3, that is 24, and this is 0, so 24. And this is 0 plus 1 square is 1. This is 2 into 1 into 3 is 6. And this is 3 square is 9. So 9, 6, 1. This is 4. 2 will carry here. That will give you 10. So out of that, you have to take 0. 1 you have to carry. That will give you 1 here. And then 6. 16104,169. Same. The duplex method of square. Any doubt in any of the method? So with this is very clear that this will be faster. This one is first. Duplex is a general method. This is general method actually. This is when it is near to multiple of base. In this case, instead of 1000 or 10,000, it is near to 4,000. Any doubts, any questions? It is 96 cube. So here you have to use base method of cube. So that is A plus 2D, 3D square, and D cube. D refers to difference with base. So in this case, difference now 96 base is 100. So difference is 96 minus 100 is 4. A refers to this number 96 and D refers to difference. So this is a formula. If you don't know this formula, you can just use base method of multiplication, three numbers A, D, A, D, A, D. From that only we have got this actually. A plus 2D, 3D square, D cube. Okay. So you take two digit at each position. So A here is 96 plus 2 into D here is minus 4. And 3 into minus 4 square. And this is minus 4 cube. So this is minus 8. 96 minus 8 is 88. This is 16. 16 into 3 is 48. And this is minus 4 cube. So my negative cube is negative here. So 4 cube is 64. So 64 bar. The answer is 88486 bar 4 bar. That will have to convert. 4 complement is 6. Reduce 1 is this will become minus 7. Or it will become 7 basically. 7 bar. 7 complement is 3. Reduce 1 is this will become 7 4 8 8. 884736. D is difference. A is the number. D is a difference with base. Difference with base. Ninth problem is same. Try to solve now using this formula. Solve this. Solve and give the answer of this. I'm waiting for answer. Good, Ruturaj, correct. No, Aniket. Atharu, correct. Aniket, you try again. Aniket, note that it's a cube. We have to use same method as we have done in previous problem. And you should note that it cannot be such a small answer. We have 7 digits. Answer will have 7 digits. We have only 5 digits displayed on it. Correct. Aniket. No. Aniket, now you have see here. Okay, Aniket, now what is your mistake is? For each of these, why we separate here is because this should be 2 digit, this should be 2 digit, extra digit you have to add here. This extra digit here. This should be 2 digit. So that mistake you have done. That carry you are not done. 216, 2 you have to carry to the middle, and then middle will be 110. Out of that, 1 you have to carry to the left. Understood, Aniket? 106 plus 2 into 6, 3 into 6 square, and 6 cube. Okay. So 12 plus 6, 18. So this is 118. This is 36 into 3 is 108. And this is 6 cube is 216. So there should be 2 digits. So this is extra. We'll add here. This will become 110. Here this is extra. We'll add here. So that becomes 119. So answer is 1610 of this and 119. 1191016. Okay. Anybody else has got doubt? So only when you send the answer, I can understand what mistake you have done. Like when you keep it clear now, what mistake you have done. Okay, anybody has doubt in that?
No, sir.
Solve that ninth using adjusted base method. Sorry, not 9, 10. 9 we are solved now. 10th one, use adjusted base and solve it. If we are solved the other way, I want this to be solved using adjusted base. Adjusted base is 3000 here. It is near to 3000. So solve it using adjusted base and write the answer. There is some mistake. The first thing, you cannot get last digit 6. See, 3 square is 9, so last digit has to be 9. Aniket correct, good. Ruturaj correct, good. Atharu try again. Ruturaj and Aniket got correct. Atharu correct, both now. So Ruturaj, Aniket, Athar got correct. Okay, see here, base method I'm using. Adjusted base is 3000 here, and normal base is 1000. So relation is 1000 into 3. So into 3 the relation. Difference 23 with this adjusted base. 23 square. If you don't know directly, do like this. 3 square is 9. 2 into 2 into 3. 12. So 2 carry 1. 2 square is 4 plus carry 1. 5. Base has got 3 zeros, so this is correct. You are getting required digits. So if you add this, this is 3046. 23 plus 23 is 46. So only this you have to apply on the left hand side into 3. 3 into 6 is 18. So 8 carry 1. 3 into 4, 12 plus 1, 13 carry 1. 3 into 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 into 3 is 9. Final answer 9138529. Anybody has doubt? So next is square root of 69169. 69169. Okay. So this is 5-digit, 5 or 6-digit answer here means it is square root answer will be 3-digit. And square root except for 5 and 0, if last digit is 5 or 0, there is only one answer. Otherwise, there are two possible answers. Dash, 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 or dash, dash, dash. So first we determine the last digit with the last digit of square. So 9 square root of 9 is 3. Complement of 3 is 7. The last digit will be either 3 or 7. So we have to make three parts: last 2 digit, next 2 digit, and the remaining one. Based on the remaining part, you will determine the first digit. So first digit here is 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So it should be 2. Lower side it is 2. Third one, okay, let's check. I seen your answer, but let's check. Just concentrate here now. So with this, you have to now calculate middle digit. So to calculate middle digit, first you have to remove square of this first digit from the first two part. 2 square is 4. So that 4 you have to remove from only this leftmost part. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then take the next 2 digit. And now you have to divide this by taking double of this. Double of 2 is 4. So question is what digit you have to write here so that you can multiply by same will give you the number near to this but less than this. Say if you put 3 here, 43 into 3 will just give you some 100, 100 something, 129. We put 4, 40 into 4 itself is 160. So it is less. 5 also it will be less. 6 should be correct. Let's try and check actual multiply. 6 into 6, 36. So 6 carry 3. 6 into 4 is 24 plus 3, 27. 276. Definitely this is the nearest. Next, if you put 7, it will go higher. Here, if you go for 7, this it will be higher than this number. So correct is 6. So now to identify which is correct, you have to go for digit sum. Digit sum of this 6 and 3 is 9. So 2. This 2 and 7 is 9. So answer is 6. Then you have to calculate square, that is 4, and digit sum of that is 4. This is square is 36 and digit sum is 9. So now let's calculate digit sum of 69169. 9 is gone, 9 is gone. Now you cannot remove anything. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 6, 13. 13 means 1 plus 3, 4. So that is matching here, and that's the answer is this. Other check where you went wrong. Obviously, it's a middle digit which. So 7, if you go for here, it will cross this. You have to write the digit here such that this answer here is less than but near to it. Okay, anybody has doubt? till now? Question number 12, 2993 square. Okay, tell me which method I should use or which is easiest. We can use number of method, but for 2993, which will be the easiest? Just write the method name. I want the name of the method, which will be easiest for this. Okay. So one answer is adjusted base method of squaring. Okay, that's correct. There can be one more easier method. Can anybody specify? Definitely, this is correct what you are saying. Adjusted base method of squaring is the correct answer, but there could be one more easier method. Yeah, correct. Atharv, yeah, Vishri is saying Atharv and Vishri has answered. Convert to vinculum and then use duplex method. Because when you convert to vinculum here 2993, 3 as it is, 9 complement is 1, add 1, so 9 plus 1 is 10, so 0, 3. So this is a simple number that way. So using this, you should use duplex. Okay, so that is second easier method, but as it is, you can take it as a base method. Adjusted base here will be 3000 and the relation is 1000 into 3. 2993. Difference is -7. -7 with reference to 3000. And -7 square is 49. Because base has got 3 zeros, you require 1 zero here. And add this, that gives you 13 minus 7 is 6, so 2986, and then this into 3. This relation you have to apply. 3 into 6, 18, 8 carry 1, 8 into 3, 24 plus 1, 25, carry 2, 9 into 3, 27 plus 2, 29, again 2, 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. So answer is 8958049. Check with a vinculum or a duplex method. Vinculum we have already done. It's already converted to vinculum. Check duplex method whether it is giving same answer. Just check and tell me whether it is giving same answer. Using duplex method, you have to check and tell me whether it is giving same answer. So for round one, whether you use this or vinculum duplex, you will get the marks, but you have to indicate some method or at least some steps to indicate that you are using Vedic math. So for round one, as you referred, you should indicate some step indicating you are using some Vedic method for solving that. Good, Adishri. duplex of 3, duplex of 3 0, duplex of 3 0 minus 1, duplex of 3 0 minus 1 3, duplex of 0 minus 1 3, duplex of minus 1 3, and then duplex of 3. So because of 0, it becomes easy. So 3 duplex of 3 is 3 square is 9. This is 2 into 3 into 0 is 0. This is 2 into 3 into minus 1 plus 0 square minus 3 into 2 minus 6, 6 bar. Next 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 18, and this is 0. So this is 18. Next, this is 0, 1 square is 1. This is 2 into minus 1 into 3 is minus 6, 6 bar. Last 3 square is 9. So answer is 9, 6 bar, 1, 8. This one will add here, make it minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5, 0, 9. And that will have to convert to normal. So 9, 6 negative, complement of 6 is 4, reduce 1 is this will become 0, 8 as it is, 5 is negative, complement of 5 is 5, reduce 1 is this will be minus 1, complement of 1 is 9, reduce 1 is 9 will become 8. Same answer. 8, 9, 5, 8, 0, 4, 9. So anyone you can use, definitely faster will be this. Considering that you write this, if you can write directly like this, this would be faster than this. If you could write without writing this, you can write directly this. With practice, definitely it is possible. Or you can make with finally whatever you practice, that will be faster. But overall, this is easier for this particular thing. Anybody's doubt?
No, sir.
Problem number 13 is quadratic equation. X square minus 22x plus 40 equal to 0. So 1 into 40, coefficient of x square is 1, constant is 40. That you have to split such that sum of the factors is equal to minus 22x. So it's very clear 20 and 2. But then to get minus 22, both should be minus. Product will be automatically positive, minus into minus plus. So take the coefficient of x square, it is 1. First factor 20, again coefficient of x, first factor. With this, you can directly answer x equal to 20 or x equal to 2. Negate 22 is the answer. Any doubt? Next 14 is simultaneous linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to 19. And second, 5x plus 2y equal to 30. 2x plus 3y. So to calculate value of x, you take coefficient of y as a center point and cross multiply and subtract. 3 into 31 minus 19 into 2 upon, start from the same point, 3 into 5 minus 2 into 2. So this is 93. This is 38 upon 15 minus 4. So this is 4 and 8 minus 54. Sorry, 55, it is 30 minus 8, 55, not 54, and this is 11. So this is 5. Okay. And with that, you can calculate the y value by just substituting 2x plus 3y equal to 19. X is 5. 3y equal to 19. 3y equal to 19 minus 10. 3y equal to 9. Divide both sides by 3. Y equal to 3. So answer is x equal to 5. Y equal to 3. X equal to 5. Y equal to 3. Okay, here you can easily check just by subtracting 2 into 5, 10, 10 plus 3 into 3, 9, 19. 5 into 5, 25 plus 2 into 3, 6, 25 plus 6 is 30. Any questions? Okay, next problem number 15. Find quotient and remainder if you divide 1, 3, 4, 5, 1. Divider 1, 1, 2. Which method we should use for this? Can anybody tell which method we should use for this dividing 1, 3, 4, 5, 1? Just tell me the method. Correct, Adishri. Base method, above base, divisor above base. So it's the same actually, less than base also, only difference is different. 1, 1, 2, find difference. It is 100 minus 112, so difference will be negative here, bar 1, bar 2. Then you should know the base. Base here is 100. 100 has got 2 zeros, 2 digit for remainder. Take first number down as it is. Minus 12 into 1 is minus 12. So write digit by digit. Add next column. 3 minus 1 is 2. So now 2 is a multiplying factor. Minus 12 into 2 is minus 24. Minus 2 here, minus 4 here. Minus 12 into 2 is minus 20. Now add next column. 4 minus 2 is 0. So next multiplying factor is 0. Minus 12 into 0 is 0. So 0, 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So answer of this is quotient 120, remainder 11. To check whether this answer is correct, you can just take quotient multiplied by this divisor plus remainder should be equal to 13451. So quotient here is 120 into divisor here is 112 plus remainder in our answer is 11. So if, as long as you get this answer equal to this, your answer is correct. Any doubt? If you get time, always you should check. You have got a check available here. If you get this number equal to this, it's correct. Your calculation of quotient remainder is correct. If this matches. Any doubt about this? Okay. So next problem number 16. So this is base method of multiplication. Three numbers: 103, 98, and 89. So base, all these three are near to 100. So difference here is 3. 103 minus 100 is 3. 98 minus 100 is minus 2. 89 minus 100 is minus 11. 9 minus 8 is 1. Last from 10. That way you can get it. Okay. So here it is 103 minus 2 minus 11. This way. You have to add this way. Okay. Any other combination also, answer will be same. Next, 3 into minus 2 plus 3 into minus 11 plus minus 2 into minus 11. Last part, 3 into minus 2 into minus 11. So this is 103 minus 2 is 101 minus 11 is 90. This part, this is plus 22. This is minus 33 and this is minus 6. Minus 33 plus 22, what remains is 11. Sorry, minus 11. Minus 11 plus minus 6 is minus 17. Is it correct? This is minus 6. This is minus 33. And this is plus 22. Minus 33 plus 22 is minus 11. Minus 11 plus minus 6 is minus 17. So 6 into minus 2 minus 6 minus into minus, this is a plus 66. So answer is 90 bar 1 bar 7 6 6 6 6. Complement of 7 is 3. Reduce 1 is this is a minus 2. Complement of that is 8. Reduce 1 is this is a minus 1 9. Reduce 1 is. Any doubt? Anybody doubt, you can ask. Okay, so you need not write all this directly. You can write this as long as you are thorough with that. Practice, you'll be able to write directly also. Only this conversion will be required. Because here you automatically are getting 2 digit, so no carry over. Next 17 problem. What is the topic here? 996 1023 996. I want topic name of the topic. Which method you should use for it? First means which is the easiest method in the world. Otherwise, you can use crisscross also for this. Okay, or you can convert this to Impulam and use crisscross. Yeah, other within base method, we have 3 base method. Which one you have to use here? Okay, means base method is correct that way, but here One number is above base, other number is less than the base. Okay, so that is a topic within base method. Above base, less than the base. Whether it is 1023 or 996, both are near to 1000. That is very important part, that both numbers which are multiplying should be near to the same base. So both these are near to 1000. So difference here is 23. Here it is -4. 996 minus 1000 is -4. The multiply difference is 4 into 3, 12, carry 1, and 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, so bar 9, bar 2, and then cross addition here. 23 minus 4 is 19, so 1019. Here you have 3 zeros, so 10 is required to match, and final answer 1019, 0, bar 9, bar 2. So to convert to negative, take complement of that, reduce 1. Reduce 1 means this will become -10. Okay, so -10 is this will remain as 0 and this will become -1. So you have to take complement because it's a -1, 9. Reduce 1 is this 9 will become 8, 1, 0, 1. Any doubt? Okay. Next question number 18 is on converting normal to vinculum. Okay, the actual number there is 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4, 1. So that will convert to normal 1 as it is. 4 complement is 6, reduce 1 is this will be -4, complement is again 6, reduce 1 is -3, complement is 7, reduce 1 is this will be 0. 7, 6, 6, 1. Okay, here you also know the method by which you can check whether it is correct. Convert back to vinculum and check whether you are getting same. 1, 6 is above 5, so take complement. Complement of 6 is 4, put dash, add 1. So this becomes 7. Complement of 7 is 3, put dash, add 1. This becomes 8. Complement of 8 is 2, put dash, add 1. Nothing is 0, 0. Okay, so with this, you know that this is correct answer. Okay, so number of places you can check also yourself whether your answer is correct. Okay. Next is when quotient remainder, if you divide 5, 2, 3, 7, 2, 5, 2, 3, 7, 2 divided by 32. So you write like this, 3 and 2, you will get directly answer here. So you can divide 5 by 3. So quotient is 1. When you divide 5 by 3, quotient is 1, remainder is 2. That you write here. So 22. It is like this now. 22 minus 1 into 2, that is 20. And 20 you have to divide by 3 and find quotient remainder. 22 minus 2 is 20. And then 20 you have to divide by again this number 3. So that will give 6 quotient, 2 remainder. Quotient remainder. 6 quotient, 2 remainder. So write 6 here, 2 here. So now you have to subtract 23 minus 6 into 2. 23 minus 6 into 2, that is 12. So 23 minus 12 is 11. And then 11 divided by 3. So quotient will be 3. Remainder is 2. 3. 11 divided by 3. 3 3 are 9. So 2 quotient. So like that. Next, 27 minus 3 into 2. 3 into 2, that is 21. Then 21 you have to divide by 3. But you should not take directly 7 here, because 1 less always when it is perfect. So it is 6, 3. Means here it will be 6 and 3. 6 quotient, 3 remainder. And then now we have reached the last. So put the line and then 32 minus 6 into 2, 12. So that gives you 20. 32 minus 6 into 2. Okay. So quotient 1636 and remainder 20. Okay, Kirti. There is one request for repeat of last solution. I'll start with a fresh page. 19th, I'm explaining again. This one request. 5, 2, 3, 7, 2 divided by 32. You write 3 and 2. You are dividing by 3 and then remove the remaining part. So you can divide 5 with 3. If you divide 5 with 3, 1 is a quotient. Remainder is 5 minus 3, 2. We divide 5 by 3, 1 is a quotient, 2 is remainder. So now from that 22, first you have to remove additional part. 1 into 2 is the additional part. So 1 into 2 gives you 20. And now 20 you have to divide by 3 and find quotient remainder. With this you are finding quotient remainder. 20 if you divide by 3, 6 is the quotient, 2 is the remainder. So that quotient part you are writing here, remainder just before next digit. Now you have to remove extra part. 23 minus 6 into 2. That gives you 23 minus 12 is 11. Now 11 divided by 3, quotient remainder you have to find. 3 quotient, 2 remainder. So 3 will come here, 2 just before next digit. So 27 minus, now that extra part you have to remove. 3 into 2, 3 into 2. So 27 minus 6 is 21. And then 21 you have to divide by 3. Okay, actually it is 7, but you should take slightly lower because actual number is not 30 or 30, 32 above. So your quotient you are taking as 6, remainder as 3. So 6 will come here, 3 will come. When you get digit for the last position, you have to put the line where the remaining part is the remainder that you have to find like this: 32 minus 6 into 2. 12, that means 20. So answer is quotient 1636, remainder 20. Kirti, okay? Okay. Anybody else? Any doubt? Next problem number 20. Here is cube root of 94818.816. So we said that whenever you have got a question on decimal point, it will be three decimal places, 3 or 6 decimal places or 9 decimal places and so on. Okay, so first you have to solve it without decimal places. So you solve it 498188816. You solve this, and here you have got 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places will convert to 1 decimal place. This is cube root. Each 3 decimal places will convert to 1 decimal. If there are 6 decimal places, it will convert to 2 decimal places. So decimal places, if at all it is present, it will be multiple of 3, 3, 6, 9, so on, and accordingly 3 decimal places will convert to 1. So if it is 6, it will convert to 2 decimal. So take the number without decimal places and solve it. So here you know that it is a cube of 3 digit. When you have number here which consists of 7, 8, 9 digits, it cube root is 3 digit. Less than up to 6 is 2 digit. So 6 is 6. Then make group of 3 from right, first 3, next 3, and last 3. So based on the last digit, you write last digit of the cube root. Based on this, you write first digit. So here you should note that 4 square is 64, 5 square is 125. So it is between 4, sorry, not square, cube. 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. So it is between 4 cube and 5 cube. So lower side is 4. So first digit is 4. Okay. So next you have to take cube of the last digit and subtract from the last part. 6 cube is 216. This will be 0, but what we are interested is second last digit, that is 0. So now 3L square m is equal to 0, where L is known, m is what we are calculating. This is first digit, this is middle digit, this is last digit. L is known, F is known, only m you have to calculate, and that you are doing with this. 3 L is 66 here, 6 square, m equal to 0. So 6 square is 36, 36 into 3 means 6 into 3, 18. So you have to just take 8m, 8m equal to 0. Any doubt? Actually, this is 36 into 3 is 108, but we are not interested in the other part. We are interested only last digit of this part. 6 square is 36, 36 into 3 is 108, but we are taking only 8 because we are interested only last digit. We are just checking the last digit of this multiplication. So 8m. So what will be the value of m? One value is very clear, 0. If m is 0, 8 into 0 is 0. And there can be one more value of m, and that is 5. 8 5s are 40. Last digit is 0. Any other combination possible where last digit of that multiplication is 0? 1 is 0. 8 into 0 is 0. So the answer is either 406 or 456. Answer is 406 or 456, and that which is correct, you again use digit sum. Digit sum of this 4 plus 6, 10 means 1. 1 cube is 1, so answer is 1. Here 4 plus 5 is 9, so 6. 6 cube is 216, so answer is 9. Now we have to calculate digit sum of this. So 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, 8 and this 1 is 1. So 4 plus 8, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 is 9. So it is matching with this. So answer is 4, 5, 6. So that is the answer of this, but actual number is this. So if you just answer it as 4, 5, 6, it is a wrong answer. So 4, 5, 6 is the answer of this, but actual number has got decimal point after 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places converts to 1 decimal place. So final answer is 45.6. Any doubt? Anybody has doubt, you can ask. So that was problem number 20. Then before we go ahead, I'll just remind you about Olga Vedic Mathematics test. Many of you are not registered. So just see that you register as early as possible. Don't wait for last moment. Okay. So you already know that you are in those who are in 9, 10 is the category 3. So that same sample paper we are solving. And to register for exam, you have to pay 200 either through Google Pay 9422593131 or online payment with this bank detail and send transaction detail to this number along with your name, standard school name and mobile number. Okay. So try to do that earliest. Now in this batch, I can see Ruturaj has already joined, Kirti and Aniket, 3 students only from this batch. So others try and see that you register as early as possible. Don't wait for last moment. Last date is 31st. 31st December is the actual last date, but don't wait for last day. Last 2-3 days, there will be number of registration normally and it creates problems. So that's why I'm requesting you again and again, try to register as early as possible. Okay, so though it's not compulsory, I say that it's always better to answer with that. If you're getting prize, that is a good thing, but what is very important, that will force you to practice. If you register for exam, it will force you to practice. That is the important part. And that's why you should join Olga. The idea of our Olga Vedic Mathematics test is you should practice. That is the main idea. And additional advantage you get is you get prize if you do well. Any question on this? So others, I request you to register as early as possible. Don't wait for last date. But last date also note that is 31st December. Earlier we had 14th January as the last date. That is changed to 31st December. Anybody wants to ask any questions here? First round is just selection round and final return test is 13th February. The prizes will be based on return test only. Okay, all that most of you know. So we'll continue with the remaining part. Okay, I'll solve last 2 problems first and then I'll go to 21, 22, 23 because if we don't get time, we should not miss that last 2 because one student has indicated that he has got difficulty in the last 2. Last 2 we'll solve first just to complete. Only one student said he has solved and he had difficulty in the last 2. That's why I'm solving that first. 982 multiplied by 988. So you have to solve this using 3 different Vedic methods. So first is a special case. Special case because this is common and 2 plus 8 is 10. So 98 into 99 and 2 into 8. This becomes series of 9. 1 less is 97. 9 minus 9 is 0. Last from 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. And this is 16. So 970216. Second, you can use base method less than base. 988. Base here is 1000. Both numbers are near to 1000. Difference all from 9, last from 10. Ignore starting 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. Last from 10. 10 minus 2 is 8 minus. And then 9 minus 8 is 1. Last from 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. So this again becomes special case. 1 into 2 is 2. 8 into 2 is 16. 216. 3 zeros, 3 digits matching. 2 minus 2 is 0. 8 minus 1 is 7. 9. So join 970216. Third, anybody can suggest what could be the third? These both were very easy. What could be third method? There can be a number of methods, and anybody can suggest me what could be the best third. Yeah, vinculum you can use. Adjusted base will be roundabout because we already use base, Ruturaj. We already use base, which is very easy. So you'll have to take 900, which will complicate the problem because this still the difference will come as a special case. It will be okay still, but not, yeah, crisscross always you can use. No, Ruturaj, adjusted base is always a multiple of 100, multiple of 10, 100,000. This is not, 990 is not multiple of any of this. It has to be 900. Okay. This will complicate Ruturaj. Okay. It should be multiple of 100 means 200, 300 up to 900. Multiple of 1000 means 2000, 3000, 9000. Okay, so you cannot take 990. Understood? Ruturaj, is clear? Your point is clear? This you cannot use. You can use 900. Okay, Ruturaj. Yeah, so this could be the next easiest method as Kirti has told. This 982 multiplied by 988. You can convert 988 into 999 minus 11. 999 minus 11 is 988. Okay, so now there are two problems. 982 into 999. Series of 9 is always easy. First step is 1 less, 981, and 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 8 is 1, and last from 10, 10 minus 2 is, and then we'll have to subtract. This is the answer of 982 into 999 is 981018 minus 982 into 11. So series of 1, 2, 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0, carry 1. 9 plus 8 is 17 plus 1, 18, carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Series of 1, 2, this is 0. 2, 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0, carry 1. Next, you have to add this 9 plus 8 is 17 plus 1, 18. So 8, carry 1. 9 plus that carry 1, 10. So you have to subtract 2, 0, 8, 0, 1. I'm just writing from right to left. So this is 6, this is 1. You have to carry here. 10 minus 8 is 2. What remains here is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 1 is 7. 9. Okay, and then you know the answer, so that way there is no chance of making mistake. So third easiest method could be this. You can use crisscross, you can convert this to vinculum and use crisscross. So still there are more methods. Okay, but then within that, this could be the three easiest. The fourth one, if you want to use, you can use direct crisscross. The easier to that will be convert this to Wing Coulomb and use crisscross. Okay, so you still have two more. So, but the question says only three. Ruturaj, is it clear? Okay. So all of you note that there are still two more, and any of those also, if you use, you'll get full marks. So instead of this method, if you use direct crisscross or convert to Wing Coulomb and crisscross, also will be considered as a correct. As long as you are using some Vedic method there, definitely it is considered as a correct. And last is cube of 98. 98 cube. So that you can use a plus 2d. Because it is near to base, you can use this 3d square and d cube. D here is minus 2. A is 98. 98 plus 2 into minus 2. 3 minus 2 square and minus 2 cube. So this is minus 4. So this is 94 here. This is 4 into 3 is 12. And this is minus 8 bar. And there should be 0 here because each of these should be 2-digit. Extra than the 2-digit you have to carry. So answer is 94120 bar 8. And that you have to convert. 2 reduce 1 is minus 1. So it will be 19. Reduce 1 is this will be 1. 1, 4, 941192. So now that you know the answer, it's very easy to use the other methods. So other you can use is normal 98 as we have done in the part 2, 98 cube of any 2-digit number. Cube of any 2-digit number. What could be the other way? Can anybody suggest base method of multiplication 3D? Yeah, that is also actually that and this is same, but as long as you show the steps, you can use it. Okay, so one Kirti has whispered base method with 3 numbers, not 3 digits, 3 numbers. Kirti, base method of multiplication of 3 numbers, 98 into 98 into 98. Actually, effectively, what we have got this formula is from this method only, but it will be considered as long as you show these steps like this. Difference. Again, there are 3 parts. They are the same part. Actually, 98 minus 2 is 96, minus 2 is 94. That is this part. Minus 2 into 2, 4. Minus 2 into 2, minus 2 is 4. And then 2 minus 2 minus 2. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. And then minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 8. So it's same thing. Okay, so it's the same thing actually. We got this formula using this method of base method of multiplication with 3 digits. Okay, so what can be considered as long as you show these steps because it becomes different method. So this is the first method, the second method. Third, you can use, I said, as it is 9, 8 with the method what we have learned in part 2, but there will be still easier than that. Can you tell what could be the easier? Instead of directly taking 98 and using cubes of any 2-digit number, there can be another way of making it easier. Can anybody tell what could be the easier method? If that is allowed, you can take. This is the first, this is second, and third you can take as 98 square with normal, that first cube of first digit 7 to 9, and then that actually will take time because of big number, but you can use this. But I'm saying that there could be easier than that. Anybody can suggest what could be the easier? What could be easier than using directly this? Nobody? Easier would be convert 98 into vinculum. 2 bar add 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. And solve this that way by taking 10 and bar 2. By taking 10 and bar 2, first we'll go for 10 cube is 1000. Ratio 10 is to bar 2 or minus 2. Both sides you divide by 10. So 1 is to minus 1 upon 5. 1000 divided by 5 is minus 200. Very important. Minus 200 divided by 5 will be plus 40. Plus 40 divided by 5 will be minus 8. Now cross check. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. So it's correct. Double middle. This is minus 400. This is 80. Add 1000 minus 600. 128 bar. So 8 bar from here you'll take only 0. This 12 you'll have to add here. So actually this will be bar bar bar. So this will come to this is plus. So 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 6 bar will remain as it is. So out of that 2 you'll have to take here and this you have to add here. So the answer here is 1 6 bar 0 1. 1 0 6 bar 1 and then you have to convert 2 reduce 1 means minus 1, that is 9. Reduce 1 means this is 1. This 1 will remain as it is. 6 complement is 4. Reduce 1 means this is minus 1. That is. Understand that this will be much faster than using directly 98. Anybody has doubt about that, or anybody does not agree with that? I'm saying using that 98 directly with the method what we have used, means this method. Actually, this is a method. Directly using 98 will take more time than converting like this. Okay, Ruturaj, any doubt here? So you got 3 methods. The 4th method could be directly use 98. So any 3 out of those 4 methods. Ruturaj, how many you got correct out of first 20? We have solved first 20 and then last 2. We are left with 21, 22, 23. Good. Good, Ruturaj. So understand mistakes in those 3 and see that in that actual exam you don't make those mistakes. Anybody has questions so far? Okay, so coming to question number 21. Question number 21 is 6400900. 6400900. 900. So whenever there are zeros, this is now question is on square root. Question on square root of this. So for square root, whenever there are zeros at the end, it will be multiple of 2. For square root, 2 zeros will convert to 1 0. 4 zeros will convert to 2 zeros, and so on. This, if at all there are zeros at the end, it will be multiple of 2. Okay, so the this 2 will convert to 1 0. So you take the remaining part and solve this with your normal method, what you learn. Okay. So this is a 5-digit, 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer is 3-digit. Okay, except for 5 or 0, rest all cases there will be 2 possibilities. 9 square root of 9 is 3. Other option is complement of it. Make group of 2-digit. 6 is between 2 square, that is 4, and 3 square, that is 9. So we have to take on the lower side. It is between 4 and 9. So lower side is 2. Okay. To get the middle digit, what we do is from this 640 to subtract this 2 square, that is 4. So 240, you have to divide such that take the double of this first digit, that is 4, and you have to substitute the digit here, the same digit you are using for multiplying, which is nearest to this. Okay, so if you go for 6, definitely it will go more than 240. So it correct is 5. So 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 20 plus 2. Okay, this is very clear that this is the correct digit. So answer is 253 or 257. Okay, so if you take this 253, the digit sum is 1. Square of that is 1. Here 2 and 7 is 9. So 5. 5 square is 25. So digit sum is 7. This is 1. So here digit sum is 1. Here it is 7. Check the digit sum of this. 6 plus 4. 10 means 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 means 1. So this is correct. So answer of this is 253, and 2 zeros converts to 1 0. So 1 0 you have to write. 2530. Uttara, you got this correct? Good. Okay, so anybody has doubt, only 2 problems are there, and still we have got one more class. We are meeting on Monday 27th as the last class. So I'll keep those 2 pending. 22, 23rd. These 2 will do in the next class, and you have to come with more difficulty now that you know the format of the paper. Okay, so in this format only you can frame your own questions. Okay, so you can generate your own questions. At least part 1 or round 1 question paper will be exactly same, only figures will change, but type of questions are very clear to you with this paper. Okay, so 2 problems will continue in the next class, and any difficulties from your side, basically you have to put this paper as a sample paper and take your own questions in each of this category. So if you don't have questions, we'll stop here for today, and next Monday at 4 is our last session. Okay, that is the last session of revision. And again, I'm repeating that those who are not registered, try to register as early as possible. Adishri, you are not registered, no?
No, sir. My mom was not there. That's why. Now I'll register.
Oh. So we'll stop. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. See that you do practice